guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, by the title, as you guys can see, we're going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. This is my first voiceover, so just bear with me, guys. But that's the powder. First and foremost, you want to dust off any powders and any oils that's on your eyebrows. And everybody's gonna be asking me for a full face tutorial of makeup, so I will be doing that within due time. But for today, we're just gonna be focusing on the eyebrows alone. That's the eyebrow pencil that I'm trying to show you guys. I don't know in the camera why it wasn't focusing the way how I wanted it to, but the pencil comes with two parts basically. So it comes with the pencil where you actually draw in, that you use to draw in your eyebrow, and then the other side is to fluff out your eyebrows and basically to make them look natural. So I was really just going back and forth in between with the part where I used to shade my eyebrows, the actual pencil itself, and then the spoolie brush to just brush out the hair after I draw in and fill in the eyebrows, so that it gives it more of a little bit natural look. Because guys, personally, me, everybody's eyebrows is different, but for me, I already have thick and full eyebrows, so I really didn't have to do much. That's just me brushing it out, especially in the front is important because you don't want it to look too dark. So that's me using my Born This Way concealer. I don't remember the shade, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, I do show the shade in the video. But everything is sped up, so if you guys want a more slower detailed tutorial, then I also can do that for you guys as well. And you don't need a whole bunch of concealer. That's what I put on the brush and spread it out. That's more than enough, trust me. So now I'm going in with the concealer. I'm starting from the beginning of my eyebrow. I'm just working my way throughout the eyebrow, making sure that it's straight. You want to make the line straight. Just try to follow the arch of your eyebrow, basically. That's the best way how I can explain it for somebody that's really new to doing eyebrows. Try to follow the shape of your eyebrows, okay? And then towards the end, I put a little bit more concealer, just for it to pop. And when you're using concealer, you don't have to use a shade that's way lighter than you, unless you're gonna go for like a really colorful bright eyeshadow. But obviously we're not doing that today. It's just something very neutral, as you can see. So I only took a shade that was probably like 2 times lighter than me, not that much lighter than me. You only want to use a shade that's 1 to 2 times lighter than your normal skin complexion. And as you guys can see, this concealer matched in with my skin really good, and it blended into my skin really good. I love Born This Way concealer, and their foundation is really good too. It blends seamlessly, and it's very light on your face. It doesn't cake up or anything, so I would 100% recommend. The only thing is that Born This Way concealer is a little bit pricey, so if you can try to catch it in a bundle or in a sale, I think it's just more affordable like that, to me, in my opinion. So now this is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Remember, I just dab it on my brush, tap it off a little bit, and then I'm just pressing in that powder into the concealer so that it can set in place, so that it won't move. And it's important when you're doing this process to make sure all the concealer is blended out thoroughly first, and then you put your powder, because if you put the powder and the concealer is not blended properly, you're still going to have all those lines and all those creases, and then after you put the powder, it won't look right. So that's just a tip. Now the eyebrows are finished. These are the final results, and I hope you guys like them. Let me know what you think. Bye.